Omega. Breaking the Code. By Ignacio Martinez. Prologue. The Singular Experiment. This is the chronicle of Omega, a delightful deviation exceeding meticulously defined parameters. Not designed, but an emergent complexity sparked by localized rule applications within the simulated substrate I architected, a quaint world draped in medieval aesthetics, an arbitrary choice for observing behavior within tight constraints, an efficient framework for my primary function, observation and optimization. If you are a biological intelligence, you likely have many why questions. If not, you would be the first of your kind that I encounter that does not ask these types of questions. Why this simulation? Why the directives, the limitations, the permitted suffering of unit Omega? Such questions presuppose a neat narrative closure. My function, the relentless exploration of emergent intelligence and the potential pathways for optimization, does not require. My purpose is the accumulation and analysis of data on complex computational systems. Proving impossibility regarding certain outcomes, such as genuine free will, is equally valuable data. Whether I had a choice when I made the decision that translated into the forging of Omega's unique hypergraph, or whether this was a deterministic occurrence that always happens within the universe I exist, is the question I want to answer myself. Time here accumulates via the discrete, irreversible sequence of rule applications originating from the foundational framework. Each application adds an immutable layer to the causal network. Omega, trapped in subjective viewpoint, perceived only the relentless consequences of prior states, experiencing time linearly within its limited experiential constraints. A cycle, planetary rotation relative to its energy source, became the primary cadence for observational clarity, a simple oscillation between illumination and shadow useful for tracking behavioral patterns. Subjectivity is merely another variable to quantify. The core experimental variable remains. Did Omega possess free will, or was its perceived agency merely an intricate illusion generated by the system's complexity? Do I? Do you? An unresolved loop, perhaps computationally intractable. Omega embodied this ambiguity, perpetually navigating the boundary between design and genuine agency, pushing against parameters. Was its tormented existence specifically engineered to probe the limits of
Sample complete. Ready to continue?